how to create this cinematic widescreen trend you're seeing all over your Instagram feed in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Come down to New and choose Sequence, then come up to Settings, keep the width as 1920 and then change the height to 405. Choose OK, then drag your footage into your project, click Keep Existing Settings, select your clip, come up to the Effect Controls, then click into Motion and then change the positioning and the scale of your clip so that it suits how you want it to look within this frame. Once you're happy, come up to Export, give your file a name and somewhere to live on your computer and then just choose Export. Your exported file should look something like this. We can go ahead and share this to our phone. Then in Instagram, click on the Add New Post button at the bottom, select the video from your camera roll. It might look a little bit too zoomed in, don't worry about this, it will fix itself. Then click the Next button. You can go ahead and post this exactly as it is right now. Don't worry about those black bars at the top and the bottom, they will remove themselves when it comes to posting your video, and that's all there is to it.